Amidst the ongoing border tensions with China, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has revealed that approximately 75% of the disengagement problems with China have been resolved. However, the minister raised concerns over the increased militarization of the frontier along the line of actual control, calling it the larger issue still facing the two nations. Jaishankar was speaking at a think tank event in Switzerland. The Indian and Chinese militaries have been locked in a standoff since May 2020, and a full resolution of the border row has not yet been achieved, though the two sides have disengaged from a number of friction points following a series of talks. The Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Brigadier B.D. Mishra, delivered a powerful address at the inaugural session of the National Conference on Ladakh Climate Change Scenario and Environmental Sustainability. The conference, held at the University of Ladakh Taru campus, marks a significant effort in tackling environmental challenges specific to the region. Brigadier Mishra praised the University of Ladakh for organizing this pivotal event, underscoring the importance of collaborative efforts in mitigating climate change impacts. He emphasized the need for ongoing initiatives to safeguard the region's unique environment and assured all possible assistance in this crucial endeavor. The Reserve Bank of India's Office of Ombudsman in Jammu organized a town hall meeting in Leh to raise awareness about consumer protection and grievance redressal under the RBI's Integrated Ombudsman Scheme 2021. The event was chaired by Ramesh Chand, the RBI Ombudsman for Jammu, Kashmir, and Ladakh. During his keynote address, Mr. Chand emphasized the customer centric features of the RBI Integrated Ombudsman Scheme, which aims to streamline and enhance the grievance redressal process for consumers, targeting banks, NBFCs, and payment service operators. He also highlighted the federal bank's efforts to protect customer rights and ensure grievances are addressed swiftly, fairly, and without cost. In a bid to boost infrastructure and services in the Zanskar region, Chairman and Chief Executive Councillor of LAHDC Kargil, Dr. Muhammad Jafar Akhun, conducted an extensive tour of the area. During his visit, Dr. Akhun inspected various ongoing developmental projects and laid foundation stones for multiple new initiatives. At Parkachik, local villagers expressed their gratitude to the CEC for ensuring the availability of a doctor at the new type primary health center. They also requested a laboratory assistant for the center, a demand that Dr. Agun promised to address swiftly. While en route to Zanskar, Dr. Agun reviewed progress on the power transmission line project. He directed the executing agency to explore alternative routes to minimize any impact on local wildlife. In response to a recent theft incident, a high level meeting was held in Leh to address growing security concerns surrounding local monasteries. The chairman and chief executive councillor of LASDC Leh, Advocate Tashi Galson, led the discussions, joined by senior officials and religious representatives. The meeting, which included Deputy Chairman Sering Angchuk and other top officials, focused on enhancing safety measures at monasteries. Key strategies discussed including upgrading CCTV systems and improving street lighting with plans to install halogen lights for better visibility and security. In a remarkable push for environmental sustainability, Team Stringmo, led by President Ganesh, recently held a crucial meeting with Imtiaz Kachu, the Joint Director of Information and Administrator of the Municipal Committee Kargil. Their participation in the upcoming Waste to Art workshop, part of the nationwide Swachhata Hi Seva campaign. The workshop, which is set to begin soon, will aim to transform waste materials into creative artwork, bringing attention to the importance of waste management and environmental awareness. Additionally, a unique display of junk art will showcase innovative ways to repurpose discarded items, making this event a major highlight as we approach Gandhi Jayanti.